Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a shirt in Roblox. And not just any shirt, we're gonna go for customize or designer shirt right there, or rather a personalized shirt. So once you're here, I want you to simply log into this website. So this should be the landing page you're seeing also when you're in. And before we get started on the matter, I want you to stay on the video because if you're watching this on your laptop, your MacBook, or any other devices, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. Now that we got that out of the way, I want you to simply click on create over here. Once you click on this one, you'll arrive on a new platform called Creator Hub. And the link is create.roblox.com. In case you arrive on a different landing page, I want you to simply type create.roblox.com. And you'll be directed here. And once you're here, simply click on creations. This one. And then you'll have experiences, events, avatar items, and development items. I want you to simply go for avatar items over here. Once you click it, you'll have classic t-shirts, shirts, and pants. So for here, I want you to click on classic shirts, click on apply asset, click on learn more. So I hope you're going here. You should be seeing this one. Classic clothing is the first one you see, and scroll down a little bit until you see shirts and pants. So the first one on the left is shirts, the left or right side is going to be pants. Once you're here, simply right click and save image. However, for now, they don't allow to save it as a PNG or JPEG. That's what we need. So I have a workaround for you. Simply, again, right click, copy image, open Paint. So a Paint application is free by default for any devices, may it be PC, a MacBook, or laptop. So paste it right there. Go to that selection arrow, select everything, and simply crop your image. Make sure you just highlight everything to remove the white spots over there, and simply click on File, click on Save, and from here you can save it as PNG. Nice workaround, right? So once you save it, I want you now to go on a editing platform called Photopea. So this is going to be Photopea. It's an external editing platform. So once you're here, simply click on open from computer and then choose a sample. So the idea here, we're going to remove those things, the color rainbow, or rather color coding here. You want it to be blank as it is, the one I'm doing right now. So the tool I'm using is going to be this one, the rectangle select. Again, for the right arm, I'm just going to delete this one, delete the left arm also. Now we're going to go for the sleeves. One at a time here. Easy and good. Now, you're still seeing those little bits of colors on the left or corners. Remain it as it is, it's not a problem. So the next thing we're going to do now is upload or download a texture, a design rather. Now, once you're here, simply click on New tab, look for t-shirt structure. T-shirt texture right there, simply save it. And then once you're here, name it. As you see right there, for example, sample 2. Now I'm going to go back to Photopea. So we're currently back in Photopea right now, and let's upload the photo we got from the internet, the t-shirt texture. So file, open in place, and choose a sample. So by default, it's going to be on top of our template. We want it on back. So right here, simply click the sample photo, drag it below the background, and there you go. And basically, to change the position to cover everything, simply make sure you're highlighting this one. Choose this option that says Move Tool, and make sure you click on Transform Controls to have that option to hover and enlarge everything. So the idea here basically is to make sure everything is covering the entire photo. Basically, that's the idea here. And once you've done that, you're good to go with this one. Now, for example, you're satisfied with this design and not anything else, you can simply download it. But for now, I'm gonna take a little bit step further and download a few more. Open in place. I'm looking for a logo now. So for example, I want this logo. For example, I want Gandhi as my logo. So by Gandhi, you can see it because it's on backwards of the sample photo. Put it in the middle and you'll see Gandhi right there. Again, same process. Controls, transfer of controls, and then basically move Gandhi as you feel do so. And then I'm just gonna place it on the front right there like so, and not a problem at all. So as you can see right there, Gandhi is basically a logo of my shirt. It's not even going to be a problem here. And once I'm good with this one, I can simply save it. Make sure you click on that confirm, and then file, save as PDSD or save right there, and then save changes. It's going to be saved as PNG on our device. And that being said, to check on it, you'll see it here. So again, export as PNG. This is the quality, the name, sample, format's right there, quality, click on save. And then it's going to be here on your computer. Once you're satisfied or you confirm that you saved it, go back on the earlier one, this one right here. Remember the shirt? Remember we click learn more here? For now, we're going to click upload. So I think you're going to hang of it. Simply click on the photo we got, name, shirt, and simply click on upload for 10 Robux. So for this one, as you can see, I still don't have funds on my end. I'm still waiting for approval for my account. But for now, simply click on this one for 10 Robux only, and you're good to go. So once you created your shirt, to check if it's there, it's properly uploaded or created, I want you to go back on roblox.com. This is the landing page, and basically click on avatar. Once you click on avatar, you'll head on this landing page and basically look for clothing. Under clothing, you'll see a lot of choices. You see t-shirts, shirts, sweaters, and we're gonna look for shirts. Now, you don't see my shirt here because I haven't created it because it's gonna be 10 Robux. But anyway, this is the part where you should see your creation of your shirt. And then this is the part where you can view it. And you can also check the body type there, increase it, and so on and so forth. Anyway, that's how you check your shirt. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.